Hey everybody, welcome back to Bronco's Did You Know? So, have you ever gotten to that point where you're trying to open up your door on your Bronco and you can't because the battery on your key fob has died? Real easy here. Just push the button on your key fob that will release your key. Go ahead, turn it to the right, unlock the door, and you're in. Now, I'm going to show you the procedure to get it started with a dead battery on your key fob. As you can see, I have removed the battery out of my Bronco key fob just to show you. So I will try to start, and it says that no key is detected. So let's get around that. Alright, go to your console, pull all the garbage out of there. Pull that piece of carpet and you can also see the shape of a key fob. We will take my key fob, throw it down there. As you can see, I put it again up so that you can see there's no battery in there, simulating your battery has died. Come over here, and she starts right up, and you can see that that is still in there. So until next time, have a bucking adventure.